Alright, so this is gonna be a little bit hard to see because it's clear. But I got a 1/4 yard of 54-inch clear vinyl. I believe this is 12 gauge. The 1/4 yard in half. Because it was too wide and it also wasn't enough length. So then if I cut it this way, then I can use both sides. So I found where I want the bow to be, and I fold it over like this. So it's folded right here. And I'm just gonna take some hot glue. Because this is vinyl, it'll kind of melt. So you can use hot glue to bind this, I'm pretty sure. Pretty good. And then you can just cut it right there. Or like that from the half cut. And I'm cutting that in half to make the ends of the bow. So just gonna cut that in half. This will obviously depend on your height, so you know, it just depends. Use the thinner end as they kind of taper off, so I might even take it like this and kind of cut it and taper it. I might not do the tapering because I just take them and glue them onto here. If you want, you can even fold it like that. This one, fold it like that. Alright, so all this, I don't know how much I recorded, but all this is just vinyl. As you, hello? Go, 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 go. Alright. She's gonna groom me, I guess, while I work. Anyways, yeah, that, you know, that's self-explanatory. I've done it with everything in this costume. So, this may or may not light up. And is it still on? No. Okay, cool. I saw it burning, and I was like, oh god. Right. So I guess I'm just gonna start from the center and work my way so this is what we're looking at right now. I like that it helps give more shape to the bow as well. It's Cyber, baby. Go big or go home. Alright, so this is what it looks like all lit up. Wow, it kind of lights up more purple than pink, but, you know, it lights up at least. So, yeah, I glued this little loop on the back. That's the same fabric as the dress. And I'm not entirely sure. I have a little clip on the back, and I have the battery pack has a little clip on it. So I'm not sure entirely how it's going to attach to the loop, because this is kind of heavy, but I figure once it's all stretched out, it's not going to droop down like this. And I'm hoping that. And then we have the ugly wires sticking out, which are going to go in the loop as well. It's just too hard to tell when it's not stretched out, but it does light up. And this is the back of it, so it's kind of silver on the back because some of the vinyl is silver on the back, but on the front you can see all the colors. Very cool. Yay, she's finished. Like 100.